Today we are going to start our video with some of the numericals that will be converted to different things like the snowflakes, the cute little clown, and see the moon, star in just few simple steps. This one is so easy and just give it a try. Isn't it so cool? See the snowman, it looks so funny, and the umbrella is so perfect, and see the other things like we are creating here out of such numbers. You can use the colors to fill it. Roses are red, sugar is sweet, and so are you. This is one of the most famous rhyme that we have been familiar with from our childhood. So today we are going to draw a rose as shown here in just few simple steps. This is so easy and you will draw it perfectly. Tulips are so attractive and so beautiful. There are so many tulip gardens around the world and people visit from one place to another in order to just have a beauty of these flowers. Let's try to draw the tulips in just few simple steps. This is very easy. You can fill it with any of your favorite colors. Next, we are going to draw a little boy that's wearing the costume of a Santa Claus in just few simple steps. You can pause the video in order to see how you will be able to draw it step by step. This is so easy. Just give it a try. I'm here filling it with the colors like red one for the cap and for the sweater. Give a little tint around the cheeks. South Indian people have their own tradition and culture, so today we are going to draw the man and the woman from a South Indian culture in just few simple steps. Just give it a try. This is so easy and it looks so funny. I'm here using the glitter pens for the outlines. You can draw with the pencil or any of your marker or sketch pen. I'm here using the glitter one so that it will give somewhat shine and it may look so attractive. You can see on your screens that we are going to draw an ambulance from the 2020 numbers as shown here. Just pause the video and follow the steps as shown here. This is so easy and you will remember it forever. This one is so easy. You can fill it with any of your favorite color, as we can say that ambulance is white and black in color, so prefer the white and black one. Boys love to put on the cap on their head, so today we are going to draw a cute little boy that's having a cap on his head and he's just walking through. This is very easy and best suited for the kids between the age group of 9 to 12. Isn't it so cool? Just give it a try. I'm writing the word he at the cap. In the same way, I am going to draw a girl that's also having a cap on her head, and I'm writing the initial she on its cap. It's just similar to the previous one, but here we are drawing the long hair to depict its girl. Now from the alphabet B, we are going to draw an expecting mother that she's holding her baby bump carefully. It's so easy. I'm using the purple glitter pen for this one. You can go for any other color of your own choice. You can even use a pencil for drawing this one. Last but not the least, we are going to draw the palm in just few simple steps. These circles represent the fingers. Thank you, viewers.